Hello students, welcomes you. Myself is Kamal sir. Dear student, I will teach you a physics. It is the part of the science. Dear student, in your previous classes, class 6 class 7th, class 8th, you also teach the subject is science. But in your next classes, class 9th and class 10th, this science is divided into the 3 parts. So out of 3, one part is the physics. Now further we will discuss about in 3 parts. Dear student, you know the natural phenomena in your life. So first of all, we discuss about few examples, few phenomena happening in the system, happening in the surrounding. In daily life we see that there are lightning in the sky. Thunder is there. There is lightning, sound we are hear, how vehicles are moving. If we throw a object in vertical upward direction and it acquires some height, after that it comes in downward direction. So what is the reason behind this object? Why this object is coming toward earth? So what type of force is there by earth? The objects are moving towards the earth. And so many electronic devices at our home. One is radio, TV, LED, electric fan, electric switch, electric light. What is the reason behind it? How fan is running, how fan is moving when a switch is on? How electric motor work when switch is on? So what type of energy behind it? If fan is moving and electric motor also doing some work. So these phenomena are related to our part, or this part is the science. So dear student, first of all we discussed about the science. What is science? So now, to dear student, science means in Latin language there are so many types of languages there. In Latin word is scientia. In Sanskrit it vijnana. In Hindi is known as Vigyan, or in Arabian it's ilm. All have the same meaning. जितनी भी हम यहाँ पे पढ़ते हैं सभी का मीनिंग क्या है हमारे पास है सेम. टू नॉलेज, टू नो, जानना किसी चीज के बारे में, किसी चीज के बारे में नॉलेज को एक्वायर करना. तो दैट इज द साइंस. So how to define a science in our science? It is a systemized and organized. It is the systemized and organized knowledge about various phenomena. It is the systemized, organized knowledge about the various natural phenomena which is obtained by experiment, observation, and accurate reasoning. so many phenomena are there in the life. You know that a fall of apple, what is the behind is this? A great scientist is discovered a great part of the physics that is known as gravitation. Now this science is further divided into two parts. This science is further divided into two parts. One is non-living and second part is living. Okay? In non-living things, it's also further divided into two parts. One is physics and second one is chemistry. Okay? And living things, this is divided a category of biology. It is in biology we study about the human in plant or in animal. In chemistry we discuss about the structure, composition and about atoms and about so many reactions are there in chemistry part. Our main motto in this part is physics. What is physics? फिजिक्स है क्या चीज, वो हम यहाँ पे पढ़ेंगे. तो नाउ आई विल डिफाइंड इट. फिजिक्स, it is the branch of science in which we study about the nature and natural phenomena. तो हम फिजिक्स के अंदर क्या पढ़ेंगे? फिजिक्स के अंदर हम पढ़ेंगे कि नेचर के अंदर क्या चीजें हैं, उसके पीछे क्या क्या फिनोमिना होंगे, वो चीजें हम कहाँ पे पढ़ेंगे? फिजिक्स के अंदर. तो डियर स्टूडेंट, फॉर नॉलेज, फिजिक्स आल्सो फर्दर डिवाइडेड इन सो मेनी टाइप्स. One of the most important is mechanic. One of the most is mechanic. Second one is electronic. Third one is EM wave, electromagnetic waves, and fourth one is optics. Here we write only few types of part of the physics: mechanics, electronics, electromagnetic wave, and the optics. This is the part of the physics. Now, dear student, our main motto in physics for class 9th is mechanics. In 9th class, our first chapter is motion. Now, mechanics. Mechanic is different from mechanics. Okay? So first of all, we define that word mechanic. It is the branch of physics which deals with the study of a object at rest or in motion with respect to the surrounding and the time. तो डियर स्टूडेंट, हम किसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे? हम किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की पोजीशन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे कि ऑब्जेक्ट रेस्ट में है या ऑब्जेक्ट मोशन में है, किसके विद रिस्पेक्ट टू सराउंडिंग एंड टाइम. नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट, दिस मैकेनिक also further divided into three categories. This mechanics is also divided into three categories. One is static, second one is kinematic, and third one is dynamic. Okay, कि पार्ट हमारे पास क्या क्या होंगे जो हम यहाँ पे स्टडी कर रहे हैं. ये सारी चीजें जो मैं आप लोगों को बता रहा हूं, इट रिलेटेड टू क्लास 9th पार्ट एंड ऑल्सो यूज इन +1. बट इफ यू रीड इन क्लास 9th तो इट इज इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड इन +1 क्लास. स्टैटिक मीन्स ए सिंपल वर्ड एट रेस्ट पोजिशन. तो हाउ टू डिफाइन इट? स्टैटिक, इट इज द branch of mechanics which deals with the study of object at rest position. Means there will be no change, means there will be no change in its position with respect to surrounding and time. मतलब टाइम और सराउंडिंग के विद रिस्पेक्ट टू अगर किसी पार्टिकल की पोजीशन अगर फिक्स रहती है तो ऑब्जेक्ट आर रेस्ट पोजीशन. सो मेनी थिंग्स आर टू बी सीन इन द सराउंडिंग. आवर होम, आवर स्कूल, आवर हॉस्पिटल, आवर रेलवे स्टेशन बिल्डिंग, बस स्टैंड, so many things are on their place, their position cannot be changed. And in physics, how to define it? There is a object. Okay, if a force is applied, F force, एक फोर्स हम यहां से भी अप्लाई करते हैं, बोथ आर सेम. मतलब एक यहां पे है और ये भी इसके ऊपर फोर्स लगा रहा है, एक सेकंड पर्सन यहां पे है, ये भी इसके ऊपर फोर्स लगा रहा है. इस प्रकार से एक इस साइड से धक्का दे रहा है, एक दूसरे साइड से धक्का दे रहा है. मीन्स जो बॉक्स हमारे पास है, देयर इज नो मूवमेंट इन द बॉक्स. इट्स मीन velocity of the object is 0. So we can say that box is at rest position. बॉक्स किस में होगा? रेस्ट पोजीशन पे होगा. अगर एक पर्सन इस साइड से धक्का लगा रहा है, एक पर्सन उस साइड से धक्का लगा रहा है, देयर विल बी नो मूवमेंट इन द बॉक्स. इट्स मीन बॉक्स एट रेस्ट पोजीशन. Second part is kinematic. Most important word in physics, kinematic, and where it is defined. How it is defined? Kinaplasmatic. Kinaplasmatic. Kina means related to motion. मैटिक मीन्स मैथमेटिकल टर्म, जैसे हम राइट करते हैं मैथमेटिक्स, कैलकुलेशन. ये ऑल अबाउट ए ऑब्जेक्ट, हाउ मच डिस्टेंस इज कवर, हाउ मच इज वेलोसिटी आफ्टर ए फ्यू टाइम्स. तो काइनेमेटिक को डिफाइन हम करते हैं, इट इज द ब्रांच ऑफ मैकेनिक. It is the branch of mechanics in which deals with the study of object in motion without cause. Without cause. Most important word is without cause. हमें इसके पीछे का रीजन यहाँ पे नहीं बताना है कि ऑब्जेक्ट की जो पोजीशन चेंज हो रही है वो पोजीशन चेंज हुई तो उसके पीछे का रीजन क्या होगा. तो लेट्स वी डू ए सिंपल सा एग्जांपल. ऑब्जेक्ट on ground moving with 1 meter per second. So in this part we also discuss about the displacement of the particle, how much displacement and how much distance is covered by the object after few times. We calculate the final velocity of the object. Also we calculate the final velocity of object with displacement. So many phenomena related are there. This is the kinematics. It is the branch of mechanics which deals with the study of object in motion without cause. Object is moving. Now the third part. Third part is dynamic. Dynamic also related to motion. ये भी किससे रिलेटेड हमारे पास, हम यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं कि ये काइनेमेटिक्स में हमने क्या लिखा, इन मोशन विदाउट कोज. और यहां पे क्या होगा हमारे पास, इन मोशन विद कोज. तो रीजन जो बिहाइंड होता है वो है हमारे पास है फोर्स. और यहां पर जो हम बात करेंगे वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ की किस फंक्शन की बात करेंगे, टाइम फंक्शन की हम इसके अंदर बात करते हैं. और ये क्या होगा हमारे पास, एट रेस्ट पोजीशन. नाउ द डायनामिक. तो ऑल्सो डिफाइन सेम थिंग्स. इट इज द branch of mechanic which deals with the study of object in motion with cause. with cause. रीजन होगा, रीजन क्या होगा यहाँ पे, फोर्स. फॉर ए सिंपल टाइप ऑफ एग्जाम्पल, a force is applied on an object and object is moving with 2 meters per second. There is reason is force, and force is mass into acceleration. That is the main part of our science. So in this video, dear student, I discussed about what is science, how many parts of the science, non-living and living things. In non-living things we will discuss about the physics and the chemistry, and living things is the biology and zoology. Now most important part is physics, and in physics also divided into so many categories, and one of the most important category is mechanics. Now mechanics के अंदर हमने क्या डिफाइन किया कि ये हमारे पास एक ब्रांच है फिजिक्स की जिसके अंदर हम स्टडी करते हैं कि ऑब्जेक्ट किस पोजीशन पे होगा, रेस्ट में है या फिर मोशन में है, पोजीशन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट आर चेंज और नॉट. These mechanics is divided into again 3 types of category. One is statics, kinematic and dynamic. Statics means at rest position. Kinematic मतलब motion without cause. Dynamic मतलब motion with cause. That is the part of the physics. Thank you.